Welcome back. Free trial or demo is the highest leverage GTM decision you'll make after pricing, and most teams inherit it rather than choose it. Today, the 2026 conversion benchmarks, why ACV decides the answer, the 7 factors that pick your motion, and where hybrids fit. Start with the raw numbers. Free trial, sign up to paid, converts at a median 18%, 32 plus in the top quartile. Demo converts at 32%, 48 plus at the top. Hybrid sits at 28. Demos convert nearly 2x trials because booking friction pre-qualifies the prospect before anyone shows up. But that comparison is misleading without ACV. A trial at 18% on an 8K deal is $1,440 per sign-up. A demo at 32% on a 50K deal is $16,000 per demo, about 11x more SaaS revenue per qualified lead. Except trials generate 5 to 8x more leads per acquisition dollar. So the motion is really a choice, volume or conversion. And ACV is the number one factor. The economics decide for you. Under 10K, trial dominates. A 30-minute demo on a 5K deal costs about 10,000 per closed one. From 10 to 25K, go hybrid. From 25 to 75, demo led with a trial option. Above 75K, demo only. A trial just hands buyers the value. 7 factors decided. ACV, product complexity, self-explanatory favors trial, configuration heavy favors demo, time to first value, buyer count, one decision maker versus a committee, sales cycle length, customer success cost, and channel mix, paid search favors trial, ABM and outbound favor demo. Score them, and the pattern is usually obvious. One factor overrides the rest. Time to first value. Under 24 hours, a trial works, users hit value before they lose interest. Under 3 days is the top quartile threshold. But at 7 plus days, you need a demo because trial conversion collapses under 10% once TTFV passes 2 weeks. Long TTFV products go demo led regardless of ACV, which brings us to hybrids, the fastest growing pattern. Demo to trial, an AE demos, then hands over a 14-day trial. 55 to 70% take it, trial to demo escalation. A user invites teammates and gets a want to chat prompt, 18 to 30% escalate, or run both in parallel and let the form route them. At enterprise, stop offering trials above 200K. Free trials convert at just 5 to 12%. Sophisticated buyers extract the value and walk. A structured POC converts at 50 to 75%. A 30-day evaluation with success criteria, real customer data, and dedicated resources. That success criteria gate is what prevents value extraction. This is where GrowthSpree is different. Instead of a motion inherited from the founders, we run the 7-factor framework. Benchmark each motion by ACV tier, validate TTFV against trial viability, and align channel to motion, all at $3,000 a month, flat, and it shows up in results. Price slabs 0.7 to 2.5x ROAS via motion fit between channel and product complexity. Traxi 4x trials at 51% lower cost, with a trial-led motion tuned to sub-24-hour TTFV. Rocket Lane 3.4x ROAS and 36% lower cost per demo through demo-led motion. To recap, trial converts at 18%, demo at 32%, hybrid at 28%. Demos make 11x more revenue per lead, trials make 5 to 8x more leads per dollar. Motion follows ACV. 7 factors decided, TTFV gates the trial. And hybrids went from 20% of SaaS to 35 to 45%. If your motion was inherited rather than chosen, it's costing you conversion on one side or volume on the other. Book a free 45-minute audit with GrowthSpree's senior operators. Will surface your top 3 pipeline leaks. Flat 3,000 a month. No lock-in. Thanks for watching.